Hi, welcome to the new chapter, ER diagrams, entity relationship diagrams. So in this chapter, we will see what is entity relationship diagrams, why do you need it, and when do you go for the entity relationship diagrams. So in this, we will see what do you mean by entities and the attributes, what are the different types of keys available, relationships, ERD components, and we'll end this chapter by means of one topic of case study, that is a course registration system. So in the entities and attributes, we'll talk about the fundamental representations of database components as entities and the attributes. How do you do that? We'll try to understand few things. Then we will try to understand the keys. What are the different keys available in the databases and how do you represent them in the ER diagrams? We will see. Relationships, how multiple entities are associated with each other, that is the cardinality, and how do you represent it in the ER diagrams, that we will see. What are the different types of ERD components, we will see in the next topic, that is ERD components. How to represent different database related things into the diagram, we will see in the ERD components. Then we'll try to imagine a case study of university course registration system, and you need to design a database schema for that particular problem statement. So before going to the database schema, how do you create the ER diagrams, that we will see in the case study topic. So this chapter will help you in presenting your database related architecture to the non-technical members, and that's why ER diagrams are important. So we have discussed all the things in this chapter related to the ER diagrams only, and you will get to know how you work with the ER diagrams. Thank you.